Hello everyone, welcome back. So we are all set to start a very fresh and new chapter which is matter in our surroundings. So in this video I'm just going to give you an introduction to the topics, and in this chapter we are going to take 10 plus lectures, means more than 10 lectures will be there on this topic, because this topic seems to be very very small, but but when it is taught in a detailed manner, this is actually a very big chapter. Okay, not a big chapter, a easy one, but yes, that if you study it conceptually, definitely it will be very uh, interesting to study, because I'm not teaching you atoms and molecules directly, because matter in our surrounding helps you to know the basic constituents of matter, how those basic constituents behave in different media. So that is why I'm teaching you this. Okay, now we are going to see the introduction to the topics. So topics to be covered, topics to be covered are as follows. So the very first topic which we will discuss is what is matter and its origin. Now this seems to be very new to you, and its origin, but this is a very simple one, and its origin. Second is we'll be covering about classification, classification of matter. Then after we will further discuss about physical nature of matter. Okay, then after physical nature of matter, then after states of matter, then temperature and its scales, and lastly but not the least, interconversion of state of matter, interconversion of states of matter. Then after finally we are going to discuss fourth and fifth state of matter. Fourth and fifth state of matter. Okay, so these are the topics which we are going to cover. In the very first topic we are going to cover what is matter and how it comes to our existence. First is, and the second one is classification of matter, how matter is classified. Okay, third is physical nature of matter, matter is made up of particle, and what properties those particle possess we are going to study in this particular only. Then after states of matter, then after temperature. Why temperature? Because interconversion is just temperature and its scales. Okay, that interconversion of matter is actually related with temperature, that is why I am teaching you this first. Then after, at last, fourth and fifth state of matter. Now what are the just subtopics? In classification of matter we are going to see on physical properties and chemical properties as well. Physical nature of matter, characteristics of particles of matter, states of matter, and temperature and its scales. These are the independent topics, but interconversion of state of matter will be seen on two parameters. First is conversion of temperature, and the second one will be on applying pressure or stress, anything. So this is the subtopic here. Okay, and also interconversion state of matter, there will be sublimation, evaporation, boiling, means all the kinds of sublimation and evaporation. These are two most important topics here. Okay, so that will be also discussed. Okay, so we are ending up this video here only. The main motive of this video was to give you a brief introduction of the topics. Okay, we'll meet in the next video with the very first topic, what is matter and its origin. Till then, goodbye.